Hey guys, I'm Vivek. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today I'm here to talk about Zosano Pharmaceutical. We'll be discussing the due diligence on Zosano Pharmaceutical and also the price action. Before starting the discussion, I would request you to please like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon to receive notification. So let us get into the due diligence. Now, Zosano Pharmaceutical is an interesting company because they have a device which is used in transdermal delivery. Now, if we look into the technology, so this is what is a device, and they have a microneedle system, and this microneedle system is used for the drug delivery. Now, why it is so interesting is because it is not a single drug device. This particular device can be used for multiple formulations, multiple drugs, and that is the reason this particular technology is definitely revolutionary in the pharmaceutical sector. And we can see that there are around 22 patents on this particular device, and we can see that there are publications on it. When we say about the biotechnology products, we can see that they are trying to deliver hormones, they are trying to deliver erythropoietins or other peptides through using their micro needle technology. One of their product, which is the Q-Tripta, and this Q-Tripta is actually a zolmisartan drug which is used for migraine, and it has undergone phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 study and also underwent NDA submission. Now, after this NDA submission, what has happened is before the prior approval date, Zosano Pharmaceutical was not granted the FDA approval. And the reason quoted for that was the Q-Tripta patch to treat migraine symptoms showed up in higher concentrations in the plasma of 5 people across 2 studies. So, whatever number of patients were taken from that patients, overall 5 people didn't show proper results. Because of that, FDA didn't grant them approval. They had received a response letter from the FDA for the Q-Tripta, and after the FDA letter, Zosano Pharma confirmed the plan to move forward with the pharmacokinetic study following the protocol review by the FDA team. So this indicates that the entire clinical trial was not asked to be repeated, and it was only the pharmacokinetic study that was asked to be repeated. As per the article that is available, we can see that the FDA approval is not going to happen soon. The pharmacokinetic study that Zosana has to do, that would be completed, and after that the data would be submitted to FDA, and after that FDA would review that data and would grant approval. If everything would be positive, then maybe by 2022 FDA may approve the Q-Tripta, and if that approval happens, it would be a great success because it would prove that the technology is successful, and that technology will open doors for the other molecules as well the other biotechnology products. And that is the reason this particular innovation is an interesting innovation, and therefore if a small amount of investment is made in Zosano Pharmaceutical, it would come to be a huge benefit. If a small if a small investment is made in Zosano Pharmaceutical now, it can turn out to be a huge return for the future. But I am not talking that it would happen soon. We can see that the approval might happen somewhere early in 2022. With that context, let us go into the discussion of the price action. So now I am on the tradingview.com. We are looking into the weekly time interval, and we can see that the price action is not looking very strong, but there are some good signs that we can see. So there are some good signs that we see. For example, 9th November 2020, the price of Zosano Pharmaceutical was about 33 cents, and from there it had a high of around $3 on 8 February 2021. And after this there are no positive news and the price is going down. Then from last 3 weeks we can see that the price is kind of settled on the 73 cents mark and is not going below. Another good sign on the chart is the volume. We can see that the volume has increased and the volume is staying in Zosano Pharmaceutical, and therefore I believe that it is a good opportunity now to enter this particular stock, indicating that investors are really having a strong opinion about this particular stock. Although it is not reflected on the price action, but the volume is definitely indicating that. So let us talk about a good entry. I believe the current price of around 73 cents is a safe entry in this particular stock with a stop loss of around 54 cents. I'm not expecting the price to fall down to around 33 cents again, because price at about 73 cents is staying pretty strong. So in my opinion, the price of around 54 cent may act as a strong support for Zosano Pharmaceutical. Before the approval, the stock is reaching a price of around $1. I believe that it would be a good time to exit at $1 and re-enter again at around 73 or 74 cents. Now if we do that, the risk to reward ratio would be around 1.75, which is a really good risk to reward ratio, and the percentage gain would be about 42%, which is definitely a good risk to reward ratio as well as a good percentage gain. That's all about the discussion that I wanted to have about Zosano Pharmaceutical. Before signing out, I would like to make a disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor and the discussion on this video is for training and educational purpose. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.